Imagine being able to breathe underwater, weightless like an astronaut, exploring a world of vibrant coral reefs and mysterious shipwrecks. This is the world of scuba diving. The word scuba is actually an acronym that stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. Unlike a snorkeler who has to hold their breath and stay near the surface, a scuba diver carries their own air supply on their back, allowing them to stay deep underwater for an hour or more. The most important piece of gear is the scuba tank. These heavy metal cylinders are filled with highly compressed air, the same kind of air you're breathing right now. Because the air is squeezed so tightly inside the tank, it can hold enough for hundreds of breaths. But you can't just breathe directly from the tank. The pressure is so high it would be dangerous. That's why divers use a regulator. This clever device is the brain of the scuba system. It automatically reduces the high pressure from the tank to the exact pressure of the water surrounding the diver. This means whether you are 5 meters down or 30 meters down, every breath feels as easy and natural as it does on land. To stay comfortable in the water, divers wear a special vest called a BCD, or buoyancy control device. Think of this like a life jacket that you can control. By pressing a button, you can add small amounts of air from your tank into the vest to float up, or release air to sink down. The goal for every diver is to reach neutral buoyancy. This is a magical state where you aren't sinking and you aren't floating. You are simply hovering in place, perfectly balanced. This allows divers to glide over delicate coral without ever touching it. The deeper you go, the more the water pushes against your body. This is called water pressure. You might have felt this in a swimming pool when your ears start to pop at the bottom. To fix this, divers use a technique called equalizing. By gently pinching their nose and blowing, they push air into their inner ear to match the pressure of the water outside. It's also why divers wear masks instead of goggles. A mask covers your nose, allowing you to breathe a little air into it as you go deeper so the pressure doesn't squeeze the mask against your face. Safety is a huge part of the diving experience, which is why divers never go alone. They always use the buddy system. You and your buddy check each other's equipment before jumping in and keep a close eye on one another underwater. Every diver also carries a set of gauges or a dive computer. This digital watch-like device tells the diver how deep they are, how much air is left in their tank, and how much longer they can safely stay down. It's like a high-tech dashboard for your underwater adventure. When you're underwater, you can't talk, so divers use a secret language of hand signals. A thumb up means, let's go up to the surface, and an okay sign with your fingers means everything is going great. By moving slowly and breathing deeply, divers can stay underwater for a long time, watching sea turtles swim by or discovering tiny colorful fish hiding in the reef. It is a quiet, peaceful world where you are a guest in the ocean, seeing things that most people only ever see in movies. Once you take your first breath underwater, the way you look at our blue planet changes forever. Thanks for watching.